Good morning, Mr. Black. How's jail? The thing is that this is going to continue to happen until you resolve those cases out of state. You have an open case in Tennessee, right?
Georgia.
I know Georgia, but you also got one in Tennessee, isn't that
Kansas.
Kansas? Both of those cases will haunt you until the day you die, unless you go back and handle those cases. However, it may be all of just hiring a lawyer and reaching out to the courts in Kansas because it's a suspended license case. But it's always going to trail you until you go take care of it. Your lawyer's asking me to set you a bond, and I'm going to, but I have to make it sufficiently high that you realize that we mean business, that you have to go back to Georgia to take care of that case. Do you understand? You also need to understand that I don't play games. If I set you a bond, I'm only going to give you one. I'm not going to do this again. So if you bond out and you fail to go back to Georgia, I will issue a nationwide warrant for your arrest. I'm going to set the bond at 0. And if you don't go back, I set it at 0. I'm going to get you back. And this time I will hold you until Georgia comes and gets you. Do you understand? You have one chance to make this right. So what's the bond amount?
That's for $500.
Judge Fletcher, we're asking for a high bond or no bond, 5 figures. That's what Day is requesting.
What kind of bond can you make?
She won't take cancer treatment right now, so that's the reason I would need to get out something.
I don't know that. How do I know that? How do I know you're not just saying that? Regardless, you have to go back to Georgia. So
I didn't know I had this.
what kind of bond can you make? I'm good at 1,000. If you want 1,000, I'll give it to you. But I'm not going to play this game, Mr. Black. So this is an extremely low bond. If you don't go back, it's really not going to end up well for you, especially if you're undergoing treatment for cancer. Because understand that if you don't go back and take care of that business and I have to issue a warrant for your arrest and we get you back, you're probably going to be sitting months in there waiting for Georgia to come get you. You understand? Okay. I'm set about $1,000.
Thank you, Judge. And did you tell